How do I turn off the schedule on my Honeywell thermostat?
Welcome everyone. Today we are going to walk through the process of turning off the schedule on your Honeywell thermostat. This is particularly useful if you want to manually control your thermostat without adhering to a preset schedule.
What do you need?
Before we start, ensure that you have access to your Honeywell thermostat. You should be able to see and touch its display comfortably. All settings will be made through the thermostat's interface.
Locating your thermostat schedule settings.
Firstly, you need to locate your thermostat schedule settings. 1. On the main screen of your thermostat, look for the menu option and press it. 2. Scroll down the list of options until you see Schedule.
Navigating through the schedule settings.
In this section, we'll navigate through the schedule settings to turn off the preset schedule. 1. Once you're in the schedule settings, look for an option called Edit and press it. 2. This will open a screen where you can see the entire week schedule. 3. Locate an option that says Delete or Turn Off. This option removes the current schedule.
Turning off the schedule.
Now we are at the final step, turning off the schedule. 1. Press the Delete or Turn Off option. A confirmation window may pop up. 2. In the confirmation window, select Yes or Confirm to confirm your decision to turn off the schedule. Remember, each model might have slight differences in the user interface. If you can't find these exact options, look for similar terms or refer to your thermostat's user manual. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the schedule on your Honeywell thermostat. Now you can manually control your thermostat as you please. If you want to set up a new schedule in the future, you can always do so using the Schedule option in the menu. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful.